I really hope this time we don't have any problems, because problems, they love to come to me when I'm doing stuff with the truck. What's up guys, welcome to the vlog. Again, Match here as always. Thanks so much for watching. You guys remember I had a bad day at my garage, and to be honest, after that I was like, I will get done. On that day, what I was trying to do, I was trying to do the new stripes for the truck. Yeah, if you guys know, it's the stripeless. And now I'm gonna do something, and I'm gonna take a step forward. First of all, I just bought the vinyl, and I'm gonna do by myself. I'm gonna create the stripes by myself, and that's the challenge for today. And we're gonna do carbon fiber. I know, it's crazy, it's gonna be a carbon fiber stripe. But the only reason why I want to do carbon fiber stripes is just to leave my comfort zone. And I'm saying I could do black matte to match the tailgate flag, but I just want to do something different. And again, vinyl is something that you can remove if you don't like it. I will probably run these stripes for a while, if I get done, of course, and we'll see. And also, that gave me such a good idea. I'm gonna wrap the roof of the Corvette in carbon fiber. What do you guys think? It's gonna look sick. I think because you guys can see how bad my roof is, you see? That's not dirt though. It's not something you can clean. I think it's just because it's like a 12 years old roof. And I know it's the transparent roof. I just want to give it a chance and see how that looks, and I can practice my vinyl wrap kind of skills. You guys ready for this? Let's see if we can get done. I'm really excited. I hope I can get that done. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna work in the garage because it's kind of cold today. It's like 36, 37 degrees outside. Put the truck like halfway in the garage, and we're gonna start. That's really close, but I think here we have a good light, and we also need to get really clean to those, like the surface, and you guys gonna understand what I mean. Remember how close was that? I know I'm not taking any risk now, so that's why I'm staying here, so we should be fine. That's basically what we need. I know, I'm super organized. You should be proud of me though. Look at that, super organized. Like my wrapping kit that I put together. I bought everything on Amazon, so everything you're gonna see here I will leave in the description below, so you can, if you want to do it by yourself, you know, take the risk like I'm doing, why not? So first of all, we have the carbon fiber vinyl. As you guys can see, I wasn't like, I don't know if I should do the stripes, but I'll take the risk. I want to do to see how it's gonna look like, and if it looks good, why not? Also, I got a glove, a squeegee, that's very important, knife, and this is the difference maker. This is the knifeless tape from 3M, which is gonna allow me to do the stripe. Also, we need a towel because the surface needs to be super. Well, one thing is not here, but I need it, is the heat gun. That's very important as well. I think I have everything I needed. The first thing we need to do, we need to clean, and then we're gonna use the knifeless tape to make sure that we want the design we want. It's 100%. The truck is pretty much clean. I'm just gonna use spray detailing and a towel. Just make sure it's extra clean, but it has to be really clean. Okay, the way to use the knifeless tape is like you do the design you want, and you apply the vinyl on top. That should be the hardest part for me because I never use it. I watch a couple of videos how to do it, but we'll see. You know, I will make the design, and I will tell you guys what is the idea behind. You guys saw I was trying to figure out the best way to like put on like very straight, and happens that I have this like laser level. There's exactly where's the stripe is. It's here, actually it's a little bit off. Technology, boys, technology. That's actually a great way to make straight. I'm not very good in doing things straight, so The main challenge here is to be as straight as possible. I don't know if the camera will do it justice because it is straight, but in the camera it seems to be not straight. This is basically the design I'm going for. Here's gonna be a big stripe, a gap, and a small stripe all the way to the bumper. Now the next step is to apply the vinyl, which I believe is the hardest step. After actually this one is harder because I kind of know how to apply vinyl. So let's see. So I'll take my time with the squeeze, and you know, just to show you guys how much time it takes. So be patient with me, bear with me, enjoy the time lapse, and if I, you know, find any problems, I'll let you guys know for sure. I don't know. Let me just show you guys before I start using the knifeless tape. That's how it's looking like. To be honest, it's not bad at all. I mean, I'm not a professional, so taking that in consideration. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna pull the knifeless tape off and see what kind of shape we got. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's almost. Look at that. I think I make the right choice with the carbon fiber. What do you guys think? So now I'm gonna finish here because we're gonna have stripes all the way. It's gonna look even better. Dude, I'm happy with it. Just change it. Oh man, I'm so happy. Glad that I went with it. I really like it. It's not too much, it's not too little, it's just, you know, give you some color. We're gonna finish the bumper because we're gonna have on the bumper as well, and we should be good to go. Well, I think the secret here is the knifeless tape. As long as you learn, and I'm learning how to use it, I'm still learning what is a good vinyl. Yeah, I cut my finger. See, I cut my finger. That's the scars of the battle. Every time I see this scar, I'm gonna remember, yeah, dude, I messed up. I think we're good to go here. And I'm not too worried about this part because this I can redo it. The problem was up there. Ready? I'm done. I'm gonna pull outside. It's dark, but I think I can adjust my camera so you guys can see. You ready? Well, a different day because yesterday it was too dark, but we're gonna see the dude, I can't wait. I can't wait to show you guys. Man, it's cold. 20 degrees G. Dude, I'll tell you, this truck, oh my god. The thing is, before I show you guys exactly how it is, one thing I'm happy about it is because I did from scratch. That's the difference between the other one that I bought exactly for this truck. This one I made it by myself, basically. Here we go.
My boy, it's gonna be legend. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it.
Damn. Boys, what do you guys think? I just love it. I love it the way they came out. It's like a little accent on the truck, a little different than before. I got this idea from my boy BJ. I'll leave his Instagram here so you guys can check. He has a shop, so if you need anything, check out his Instagram page. Of course, there's some imperfections here and there, but overall I think I did okay. What do you guys think? Dude, look at that. And again, the reason why is just because I want to change, and I don't want to like do anything on the side because I have some plans around here. You guys have to wait a little bit. I'm learning. I want to do more vinyl stuff, and we're gonna definitely do the roof and something else on the Corvette with vinyl. That's gonna be a bigger challenge though. So let me know. I want to hear you guys, what you guys think. What was the expectation for this? I'm really happy with how that came out. I wasn't expecting to be that good, to be honest. But again, we always can get better, right? I hope you guys enjoyed this upload. If you like it, smash that thumbs up. I know we are getting the right direction. Follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you guys this week in the next upload. As always, enjoy your life.